Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 2 of Jingle Lills. I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far, even though we're only on one day up. But I still hope you guys are excited for what's to come in the next 12 days. I anticipated in doing a crafting video today, but I decided on something else that I thought would be more exciting. When I posted this advent calendar, you guys got super excited and loved how it turned out. So since I didn't end up doing what I wanted to do with this advent calendar, which was make 2 more for my daughter and my wife and have this one for myself, because you guys, the same way I get crazy busy with my craft stuff, I get crazy busy in my personal life and don't have time for anything. So what better way to celebrate this beautiful advent calendar that I had so much fun creating than to share it with one of you guys, and for you guys to open 25 little goodies right after Christmas. It's like Christmas is still continuing. So yeah, you guys, there's no candy in any of these boxes. I filled each and every box with crafty little goodies, little embellishments that you guys can add to your projects. And I hope you guys are excited about that, because I thought it was a great idea to share this with you guys. And will you hear that? This is what the cover looks like if you guys haven't seen it. So cute. I love the way it turned out. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. I don't want anything to spill. Hold on. Ooh, I'm gonna have to I'm gonna put a clear acetate on top of it, because I don't want, when you guys open it, anything spills out. So I might end up putting because the lids are not as secure as I would want them to be. Come on. So I think I'm going to put like clear acetate on top and tape it down, so that when you guys open it, nothing flies all over the place. So vellum or acetate, I don't know which one I'll do. Come on. Well, let me show you guys what's in 14. I'll give you a sneak peek. You see? This one has a little bit of gold stars, and we'll do 2 more just so that you guys can get little sneak peeks. 12 has a bunch of bows. So that's kind of like what the advent calendar is filled with, you guys. We'll do number 3. Ooh, little sticky notes, Christmas sticky notes. So yeah, you guys, that is going to be today's giveaway. This is going to be a quick little video. And yeah, if you guys want a chance to win this advent calendar, you already know what to do. Leave a comment down below saying enter me. Make sure you're subscribed. That is a must, you guys. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel to win any prize on my 12 days of giveaways. And I also have another series going on over on my Patreon. The link is down below. It's 12 days of cards. It's exclusive videos over there. And whether it's tutorials, the giveaways, I actually did for day 1 over there 2 cards. I did a full 30-minute video doing a tutorial. So if you guys want to be a patron and participate in that series as well, and get a chance to win 24 handmade cards by me, definitely go check that out. You can just pick, I think there's 3 tiers. You can, in order to participate, you can pick the lowest tier. You can pick the lowest tier, or I think it's the 2nd tier. Just go check it. I don't remember right now. My mind is all over the place because I have to go and film for that right now, actually. But yeah, you guys, this is the prize for today. I hope you're excited. Leave a comment down below saying enter me, and I will catch you guys on day 3 of Jingle Lills. Love you guys. Bye.